Hello students, once again welcome to English Literature Classroom. Today my topic is Shakespeare's The Merchant of Venice. In my last video I already taught up to Act 2 Scene 6 line 25. Today I am going to teach from line 26. Let me recap a little. The scene takes place in Venice before Shylock's house. The two persons entering the scene are Grishanio and Saladino. Later Lorenzo also enters the scene. The action of Jessica Lorenzo elopement takes place in this scene. Grishanio and Saladino wait outside Shylock's house for Lorenzo. Although Lorenzo is late, yet the two men appreciate it because lovers never run before the clock. However, Lorenzo seems to be apologetic about his late arrival and assures them of no delay in the act of elopement. Now, let's start from here. Okay, Jessica is telling, who are you? Tell me so that I may be sure, although I can swear that I do know your voice. Okay, Jessica can understand from the voice who they are. Lorenzo is telling, I'm Lorenzo, your love. Jessica is telling, you are Lorenzo definitely, and also my lover, for who else is there whom I love so much? And now, who knows except you, Lorenzo, if I am yours? Lorenzo is telling that heaven and your thoughts are witness to the fact that you belong to me. Now, Jessica is telling here, catch this basket. Okay, it's worth the trouble. I am happy that night has fallen. Okay, what is Jessica telling? I am very happy that night is fallen and it is dark so that no one will be able to recognize me. Okay, and she wants to keep her identity hidden. She is very ashamed. Why is she ashamed? Because she has disguised herself. Next, she is also telling that love is blind and the lovers themselves cannot see the petty mistakes that they commit. Now, Lorenzo is telling, come down because you must act as my torchbearer. Okay, what is Lorenzo telling? That you will act as my torchbearer. Jessica gives obstruction and telling that, what? I have to carry a light and myself and I have to show the world that I am Jessica. I am very much ashamed of myself that I am disguised. Lorenzo is telling that, so you are sweet even in the lovely garnish of a boy. Okay, what is Lorenzo telling? Even in the lovely garnish of a boy while looking beautiful. But come at once, okay? Because the night is closing soon and we also have to go at Bassanio's feast. Jessica at that point of the telling that she once again has to return to home to close the doors tightly and enrich herself with more ducats and join immediately. Now, Grishanio. After that, Grishanio tells that Jessica is a gentle non-Jew and not a Jew. That at that point of the time, Lorenzo tells that, curse me if I do not love her with all my heart. If I have the ability to judge her, she is wise. Okay, look what is Lorenzo telling, she is wise. She means, who is she referred to? She is referred to Jessica. She is wise. And if my eyes have not made a mistake, she is fair. Okay, Lorenzo is also telling that if my eyes have not made a mistake, she is fair. She again referred to Jessica that she is true in her word. She is also true in her words and that she has proved herself and therefore she is wise, fair and true. Enter Jessica. After that, Jessica is entering. What, have you come? Okay. Let us leave, gentlemen. Lorenzo is telling that let us leave. Our friend who are masked are waiting for us by now. After that, Antonio is entering. Okay, next Antonio is entering. Antonio, who is there? Grishanio, are you Mr. Antonio? Grishanio is telling, are you Mr. Antonio? Now, Antonio is telling, shame on you, Grishanio. Okay, 5 means shame on you, Grishanio. Where are all your other friends? It's already 9 o'clock. Okay, Antonio is telling that it's already 9 o'clock and all our friends are waiting for you. The mask for tonight has been cancelled. What is Antonio informing? The mask has been cancelled. Okay, as the wind is now favorable. Now, why the mask is cancelled? Because the wind is favorable. Okay, for Bassanio's journey. Bassanio will going to in the ship very soon, and Antonio has sent 20 men to look for Grishanio. Now Grishanio is telling that I am very happy. Okay, what is Grishanio is telling? He is very happy. I do not wish to have any more happiness. Then go on board a ship and sail away tonight. Grishanio is going to sail away that night. Up to this much. In my next video, I am going to give question answer. Until then, goodbye.